Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Hub Fuel. In today's episode, I'm going to be discussing creating tracking URLs in HubSpot. Tracking URLs are a Marketing Hub and CMS Hub professional and enterprise feature. To create a tracking URL in HubSpot, we can navigate to the settings under tracking and analytics, and then tracking URLs. From here, I can create a new tracking URL and enter the page that I'm tracking for this. Once I've added my URL, I can attribute this to a UTM campaign, and then I can organize my traffic based on where I'm going to be posting this tracking URL. So whether it's from email marketing, paid search, organic social, paid social, or other campaigns. On this one, it's going to be organic social. I'm going to be posting this to my Twitter account, which I can select here. And what will happen is the UTM medium will automatically pick up social based on the fact that I've selected Twitter as my source. I can then add a UTM term, which is used to track keywords in a pay-per-click ad. And then I can add a UTM content. If I have multiple ads on a page, I can differentiate between the two using the UTM content. Both of these two options are optional. Once I've filled out this option, I can then click create or create and add another. And that is how you create a tracking URL in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll speak to you next time.